don't.
Did I not make 2 shots?
He made 2.
So I won the best.
Sorry.
Dang, boy.
Don't tear up that goal.
Get that camera off me, man.
He's on the white power. You ready?
I just won that one.
No.
Yeah, I did.
I just won.
Alright.
0 out of 1.
0 out of 1.
0 out of 1.
What are you doing, Tyler?
Nothing.
You're recording them, aren't you?
0 out of 2.
You're recording them.
Fantastic.
Sucker, 0 out of 2. For both of us.
What are you?
0 out of 3. Since you made that. For both of us. 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. 2 out of 5. Oh.
Is it a best of 5 series or a best of 3 series?
Best of 3. Your winner is Brad Martin. 9.
9 times champion.